Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best toolboxes that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Toolboxes. A large toolbox doesn't necessarily have to be heavy or hard to move. In fact, modern-day toolboxes are larger and more durable than ever before. The rigid 22 inches Pro is an ideal size for storing tools around the garage or taking them on the go for projects away from home. 22 inches will be perfect for small hand tools and even some larger power tools. The most important thing. Number 5. Non-slip silicone toolbox organizer. This tool organizer storage tray includes 3 different sizes, each one with strong grip. They are well fixed in their respective place to help improve your work with efficiency. Main features: constructed of durable, chemicals and slip resistant, multiple function. Number 4. Big Red TB101 Torin 19 inches hip roof style portable steel toolbox. Corrosion resistant powder coat finish which delivers strong and solid construction for added durability. Main features: 2-year manufacturer warranty. Made from heavy-duty gauge steel. Comfortable grip handle. Number 3. DEWALT ToughSystem Toolbox DWST08130. Large size cups for storage of smaller tools and parts, storage pockets in the lid for screwdrivers and drills, and a padlock eye for extra security. Main features: integrated IP65 water seal. Includes screwdriver. Structural foam material. Number 2. DEWALT Toolbox Tough Case Medium Case only $121.90. Our standard set accessories now come in Tough Case Plus system, the latest addition to our accessory storage line. Main features: connectable accessory storage system, patented bit bar design, clip latch for secure closing. Number 1. Akro-Mils 09514 ProBox 14-inch toolbox. Great for storing and transporting supplies like hand tools. Made in the USA. Rounded edges for safety, includes large lift-out top tray. Main features: comfortable handle. Made from industrial-grade plastic. High quality and durable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.